Hey folks, my name's Gabe. I'm here with Southwest Florida Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2018 Kia Forte. It's only got 8,000 miles. It is literally a brand new car. It's an immaculate shape inside and out, as you'll see throughout the duration of this video. And my goal here today is just to do a quick walk around video to try to alleviate any questions or concerns you might have about the condition or quality of this car without actually having to be here in person. So starting here in the front, you can see the white paint job still has its shine to it. Obviously it's a brand new car. Everything lines up perfectly. The headlights have a cool little white accent there. Very sporty look to it. No dings or dents anywhere on the exterior of this car. Has all four matching Kia wheels. Brand new tires, so you don't have to worry about dumping a whole bunch of money into new tires after purchasing this car. Always a relief. Moving our way down the rear, the bumper looks great. No dings or scratches, anything like that. All the lights work, headlights, tail lights. Get a shot of the undercarriage, rust free. Roof looks good. All the windows work. Making our way to the interior now. It's got black cloth seats. All the door panels look fantastic. All the buttons are fully intact. Electric windows do work, as I stated. No stains or tears anywhere. This car is literally just being broken in. The headliner is nice and tight. And Kia makes a really, really solid product. Go ahead and get in now and start it up for you. Starts up. Starts right up with no issues. Put my seatbelt on. You can see that there are no lights on the dash. Tire pressure light, but we can just add some air to the tire. That's no issue whatsoever. Revs up nice and smooth. Everything operating as it should. Car even comes with almost a full tank of gas. Look at that. AC blows ice cold. You got your auxiliary and your USB ports there, so you can hook your phone up, get some tunes going. It's just a really clean car sitting in here. It feels comfortable. It drives great. Go ahead and pop the hood and show you what's going on under there. Four-cylinder engine. Idles nice and smooth. The belts are in great shape. Obviously new battery. We fully service all of our cars, which this one didn't need to be serviced really. Everything, all the fluids are good to go, everything like that. So here we have a brand new car that is 100% ready for the road. No issues mechanically, no issues cosmetically. It's literally just waiting for its next owner to come drive it off our lot. If you're local here in Fort Myers, we'd love to have you stop by. We're off of Palm Beach Boulevard. As a landmark for reference, we're right next to the Taco Bell. If you're not local, feel free to visit our website, swflauto.com, or give us a phone call, 239-690-3123. Thank you.